triggering one query from another. Let's look at how to do that. First, make sure Apipheny is installed. Google Marketplace, search for Apipheny, click through, install. Now we're going to open Apipheny. When it opens, you'll see we've got 2 queries already. Both of these are the same. One will write into sheet 1, one writes into sheet 2, just with the default test query we've been using. Let's go back, have a look at the other one. Easy. Let's run these queries, see what's going on. And we see the data that we expect. So how do we get this query to trigger from when our first query runs? The trick is to use a simple if statement. We check for a value in a field in our sheet that we want to trigger off, and then we set its value equal to blank. Then in the next field, we put our Apipheny query, which you can get from the query itself, down the bottom here. Now we'll put the precise query into our comments down the bottom. And now if you look and run this query, you'll see our data update. Beautiful. If you got this far, let us know what you want to see next.